2 hours north of Vancouver, British Columbia by plane lies the island of Haida, a culturally rich and ecologically diverse range of mountains and forests. The flight path of numerous species of birds land here as they move with the seasons. It is also the home of numerous birds like the bald eagle and the Great Blue Heron. On Friday night, a volunteer with the Masset-based Gwaii Animal Helpline was called about a heron hiding under a boat trailer. It had been raining and windy the night before, and it is thought that the bird had struck the power lines and then fell to the ground. It was taken to the local vet hospital where they stabilized it with pain control and fluids until it could get sent down to the Wildlife Rescue Association of British Columbia near Burnaby Lake. Pacific Coastal Airlines had a flight out the next morning, a medical flight direct to Vancouver. Much would depend on if there was enough space left on the plane for the birds to fly. Thanks to the employees Matt and Elizabeth of the Pacific Coastal Airlines, the bird got onto the plane. The flight was uneventful, landing on a beautiful afternoon in Vancouver, where it was picked up and taken to Dewdney Animal Hospital for assessment. The bird was in really rough shape and very weak. The initial thought was a broken pelvis, but follow-up x-rays showed a bigger problem, a spinal fracture. And while the nerves were still there, the likelihood of a full recovery became unlikely. With a heavy heart, the decision was made: humane euthanasia. All across this province, volunteers, veterinarians, and animal wildlife rehabbers work tirelessly to help animals in need. Please help by donating to the Wildlife Rescue Association of British Columbia and the Animal Helpline in Haida so their great work can continue.